Hi, this is Art with OCRV Center in Yorba Linda, California. We've got a 2022 Winnebago Travato Class B motorhome here that just got in a horrible accident. So you can see that it's up on our frame bench, and we've got the main part and all the chassis and main structure all straightened. We've got the new rear end, suspension back in it. It's all squared up back to factory spec. Now we've got some more sheet metal work to do, and then weld on the new outer and inner panels, get this thing over to the paint shop. We probably realistically got 5 or 6 weeks left with this vehicle before we get it back to the customer. Big job. So if you've got any collision repair needs, please come see us at OCRV Center. You can visit our website at ocrvcenter.com. You can call us at 714-630-3766. We'd be happy to help you with all your RV repair needs.